Will today be a huge day for silver and gold? We're going to talk about that on this morning's gold and silver updates. Let's get started. Good morning, everybody, and happy hump day and happy hump coffee and happy cat over here once again doing his thing, playing with stuff, having a good time. Good morning to everyone from my living room to you. Happy coffee, everybody. It's fantastic coffee, guys. It's early in the morning. We're at 4:30 a.m. making this video for you guys, as I do every time I do these. We get up, we make videos, and then we go to work. If you're a new viewer, thank you for watching our YouTube channel, Silver Stack Cracker. We really appreciate you, and welcome to the family. We're unlike any other YouTube channel, everybody. We may not have 200,000 subscribers or 1 million subscribers, and it doesn't matter. We love you on this channel. I love you on this channel, and thank you for watching. And I also appreciate what you do for me by watching these videos all the way through. So thank you so very much, everybody, for watching all over the United States, all over the world, California, Texas, New York, Florida, Pennsylvania, Montana, North Dakota, South Dakota, Arkansas, Kansas, all over the country, all over Canada, all over Denmark, all over Europe and Germany. Everybody, thanks for watching us. What is going to happen today, everybody, with the interest rates? Are the interest rates going to crash silver? Are they going to be steady and silver continues to drop or hold back and stay steady? Also, will it go up? We will talk about that later. There's Bubba. Good morning, Bubba. I don't know what he has. Yes, I do. Oh my gosh, my charging cord. Oh my gosh, leave it, Bubba. Leave it there. This is what you get on this channel, interrupted videos. And hey, it doesn't matter because I don't edit, and he's part of the family, just like our puppy dogs. And this is his morning. So what will happen with interest rates today, everybody? We're going to talk about that this morning. And I've got a little rant I want to talk about. Are you sick of watching videos or even channels that do one of two things? They either say crash, silver crashes all over the thumbnail, like multiple videos in a row. Like they don't even space it out. They do it multiple times in a row. Or they say $38,000 silver, $100,000 gold. Are you sick of that? Well, I'm going to talk about that also on this morning's gold and silver update. Because you know what, guys? There's nothing negative about silver and gold. It doesn't matter if it goes down. Let's turn on our green lights, guys. Or if it goes up. It doesn't matter. It's always positive. I'm not a negative channel. I'll never be a negative channel. I won't talk down in the doldrums and be all bummed out. Don't be bummed out over the precious metals, guys. Metals, 4,033 on gold this morning and 57.73 on silver, everybody. Now, look, silver went below $57 an ounce yesterday. It's still holding well above $50 an ounce for the year or for a 12-month period, guys. Up $27 an ounce since last year at this time, guys. Happy coffee to that. So if you bought in at 80 or 90, yeah, you might be all bummed out. But when you're 57.74 on silver, guys, that's still a fantastic number. Have a positive attitude. Hold it for a long time. That's why people say hold silver for a long time, because if you think about it, if you bought it at $80, let's say you buy it at $55 and, add those together, divide it by 2, you get your average, you make up ground. So that's why they say dollar cost average your precious metals, everybody. You make up ground. So if you buy high at 100, I bought triple digit silver, and so is Mike, my bullion dealer. If you buy high, everybody, and then you buy at 55, you buy 100, you buy 55, wow, you've made up some ground. So, but you got to hold that for a long time. So everybody, as not a financial advisor, I'm not, you got to hold this stuff a long time. I have changed my thought process over the course of the last year and a half, and on silver and gold, and everybody on silver and gold. Hey, it's early. I'm ADHD. Okay. And many times I've changed. Many times we've changed our predictions. But there's only one prediction. Just like Mike said in his video on Sunday, it's either going to go up or it's going to go down. We can guarantee that. But the long-term predictions for silver and gold are fantastic, everybody. And so we're going to keep watching them for you every day, bring you that information Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays, all that good stuff, guys. So still holding strong, 57.74 on silver, everybody. 15.90 on platinum. Platinum is down this morning, $12. So it went down, and palladium went down. Palladium's at $12.40, guys, $1,240. And rhodium actually went up. It's from our Monday update. It's at $7,925 and no change. So yes, I'm a chatterbox. If you're new to the channel, like I said, welcome to the channel. If you think you're going to comment and be a smart ass, then just go to another channel. Our family on this channel, we don't really care about all that. And, really, I might comment back at you, and I might give you a hard time as you gave me a hard time, but we might go through that a couple of times before those comments are no longer available. So we're a positive channel. We stick to being a positive channel. We don't criticize. We don't be negative. We might give some constructive criticism, but not criticism to anybody on this channel. So just remember that, and everything will be great, and you'll be part of the family. So thanks, everybody. Let's go on to Mumbai and London and Hong Kong. If I can get it to pull up, we're having a hard time loading with those guys right now. We may have to go back to them, because right now, guys, something's going on. They're not loading. Are they knocking their whole site down? Are they keeping everybody from seeing their gold and their silver prices? I don't think so. We're just having a hard time. We'll go back to that in just a minute. Let's move on to our gold to silver ratio. Yesterday, I saw 70-1, roughly, a good time to buy silver at that ratio. Now we are down to 69.85. Let's just say 71. It's 70-1. It's close enough, but it's dropped down into the 60s now, which means silver is starting to regain its strength, guys. We all know silver has massive strength, everybody, and it'll continue to roll. I don't want to hear anybody talk negative and be in the bummers and in the doldrums and just because there's nothing negative about silver and gold. The green lights are on, guys. It's a buying opportunity. And guess what? This Saturday at the coin show, Mustang Coin Show, I will be there. I hope to see you. I know some of you are coming. I'm going to be buying more silver from Mike. So I'm excited about that. Every time I buy something, I'm excited. That's just my ADHD. When I buy something, I get excited. Okay. And usually after you bought it 2 or 3 days later, you're like, it's not very nice, but I'm okay with it. But not with silver and gold, everybody. When you buy silver and gold, you hold it. You hold an investment. You hold something that was put in this earth that we took out. And man, it is awesome. Holding gold and silver is an awesome thing, guys. And let me tell you something. It forces you to save money, okay? Because it's not as easy just to take and find somebody and go sell your silver and gold. You want to shop it around, see who gives you the best deal and everything. So it's not as easy to sell it. So it forces you to save it. And you can't just take your gold or your silver ATM card, although we may have one of those someday. They do in Texas and some of those other places. They're doing gold and silver as currency now in a lot of these states. So, but it's not easy. You can just run down to the ATM at the corner store and draw out 20 or 40, $100. So it forces you to save your money, as it has me. So, and it's not really for me, everybody. Silver and gold are for the future, for Mrs. SSC, for myself, for my kids, for my grandkids, everybody. That's what it's all about. It's a long-term hold. And they will thank you. If you don't spend it first, I promise you, they will thank you. If you've got nothing else in your life and you've collected incredible numismatic coins and gold and silver and all kinds of different stuff, even paper money, Confederate money, silver certificates, your kids will appreciate what you worked hard for. So let's move on to our base metals, guys. One thing that's pretty impressive throughout these dips and drops is our base metals, our copper. The copper has continued to go up and hold strong in value. And as I've talked before, and I know some of you comment, and I know some of you have different opinions on copper, but I see it in the long term. I see it positive, and so does everybody else. We're in the $6.27 or $6.20 range. We've seen $6.22 this morning when I woke up, and it continues to hold strong through all of this. Nickel is $7.71, really kind of holding steady and stable, and aluminum is always about the same. Although it's up about a penny, it's $1.44. Happy coffee to all of our base metals, everyone. Although you know how I feel about copper. I don't see it as a base metal. And the big boys still are seeing copper as the future silver, as a future silver. And I will keep saying that as long as I live. That's just the truth, everybody. So like it or not, that's how I'm going to say it. We have a lot of people bashing people that like copper. And the copper bullion, everybody. I'm excited about getting our Balmain mints. We have a bunch of viewers that have ordered from Balmain Mint, and they're getting updates. Give us some updates. If you've got Balmain Mint coming, let us know. Are they in the pouring phase? Guys, they restrict how many of these incredible bars are out there. And not only that, but the prices are amazing. And so I'm pretty excited about the Balmain Mint situation with their bars and everything, guys. So let's move on to our gold backs. Our gold backs are 809, everyone. And our India silver, 7073. Now, remember, I do love my gold backs, my 24 karat gold, but right now I'm concentrating on the two big precious metals, gold and silver. So I'm getting my heavy stack built back up on the silver because I have plenty of collectible silver. And so I'm trying to build back that heavy stack really good, everybody. And our Shanghai silver price right now is 65.08, guys. What is once affecting our silver prices are high strengthening dollars, 101.34, and our oil prices, guys, are 81.82. So what is going to happen today with interest rates? It's a big day for silver and gold, everybody. Are they going to raise interest rates? When they raise interest rates, what happens? All right, they're trying to stabilize our economy. It drives our silver and our gold down typically. Sometimes it does not. It depends a lot also on industrial uses. It depends on our supply, our demand. central banks. It depends on a lot. So the interest rates today, are they going to go up? Are they going to go down? I don't think they're going to go down. There's about a 99% chance that they won't drop interest rates. There's about a 70% chance, guys, that interest rates are going to hold steady today with the Fed's meeting, and they're going to hold it steady and keep them where they're at. Will that drop silver? Will silver continue to drop, or gold drop, or will it go up? There's so many factors in play on gold and silver prices. And don't forget the paper manipulation on gold and silver, everybody, especially silver. It's very, very undervalued. And everybody knows that, that's been stacking silver for years. We all feel and we all think silver should be $500 an ounce. We all agree with that. But these interest rates and speculation of an interest rate hike or just anything hawkish with the Feds, and boy, everybody pulls out and they go into interest-bearing funds, everyone. It's kind of like a forecast. So if they say, hey, interest rates may go up a quarter point, then everybody says, okay, let's pull out. Let's go into something that actually pays interest. So will it affect our prices today? We will find out. We'll find out, I think, later today and into tomorrow morning what happens. We're still doing well on our gold and on our silver. Gold still holds over $4,000 an ounce. Look at what it was last year this time, everyone. Look at what silver was. Silver still $57.70 at $4.48 in the morning. So will interest rates drive our silver and gold down, or will it hold strong? Will the interest rates stay steady? Will gold and silver go up? Will they hold steady just like the interest rates? We're going to find out today. Like we said, we can guarantee you it's going to go up or it's going to go down. It's always a green light on, though. It's always a buying opportunity. If you can buy it when it's cheap and it goes up in 5 years, you're at $200 an ounce, guys. And it's going to be in 5-10 years. It'll be well over $200 an ounce. And it could skyrocket this year. It all depends on what happens. I mean, we keep dragging wars out, guys, and it cost us money in our silver and our gold. But if you don't sell it, it won't cost you anything, right? So it's only worth what it's worth when you sell it. Always remember that. If you sell it for less than it's worth, then that's what it's worth, right? If you sell it for more than what it's worth, that's what it's worth. So let's get on and let's move on to real quick, and let's move on to something that bothered me yesterday, and it's been bothering me for a while. I try to be positive on this channel about gold and silver because gold and silver are a hedge against inflation. They're your savings account, guys. It goes up, it goes down, but it's a savings account that you hold. You have control. You have control over your gold and silver. Happy coffee to that, right? I have control over my own savings account, not a bank. I'm tired of looking at, and I have done it myself every now and then. Silver crashes, Yes, silver has crashed. It crashed from its all-time high of over $120 an ounce. Guys, it's a long-term hold. It's going to have these big corrections, huge corrections. It's going to go way up in value. And when it goes way up in value, everybody goes, oh, I'm going to miss out on $150, $200 silver. Just be patient, everybody. Be patient. Don't sell your silver panicking because you think that you might miss out on the high silver prices. But the best time is to jump in when silver's down, when gold's down, and buy the dip, guys. But it's so tiring to look at these channels that video after video after video, thumbnail after thumbnail after thumbnail, silver crashes, silver crashes, silver crashes, silver crashes. And it's just like, oh, I don't know what's going to happen. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to have to talk about how bad silver is going, and bullion's and I'm not sure what's going to happen. Look, guys, I can tell you what's going to happen. It's going to go up or it's going to go down. The chances of it going up are much greater than the chances of it going down. They say, we've got a lot of people that say, we're going to go back to 30, we're going to go back to 40, but all the huge experts say highly unlikely unless we have a massive economic crash, guys. Silver, we will probably not likely see silver hit $40 an ounce again. Could it drop below 50? It could. What does that do for you? It creates a buying opportunity. So everyone, look, we all make thumbnails that can be clickbait, like some of my friends, like Ravenhawk said. Thumbnails can be clickbait. We all do some of those, okay? Most of the time, we don't mean to do something that's clickbait. I try not to. But watch, if you see a channel's talking about $1,000 silver and $50,000 gold, it's happening now, something like that. Guys, I've even clicked on them and watched them just out of curiosity to see what they really have to say. A lot of it are AI put together videos. Just take it with a grain of salt and have some fun. We've got a lot of great channels out there, guys, that I love to watch. You know, I'm just a little guy. We got people like Ravenhawk. We got people like in Oklahoma, Thompson Coin and Stamp. And we've got, Yankee Stacking. We've got Silver Dragons, great channel, guys. And we have several more. Ron's Basement's another good one. So I like watching those guys. We have a lot of fun. Do I get ideas from them? Yeah, sometimes, but really, hey guys, it all comes out of my brain. So let's go over gold and silver one more time. Did we get Mumbai and all them up? We did not, guys. They have failed to load. Nope, there we go. Mumbai 4,027 on gold and 57.49 on silver, and Hong Kong 4,033 on gold is what it's showing, and 57.73 on silver. And London is at 4,033 on gold and 57.85 on silver. So we're still at 57.71 on silver and 4,034. Everybody. So think positive about the silver and think positive about the gold. Don't be negative because it's dropped. Look at it as a positive buying opportunity when silver goes down. Look at it as a long-term hold for silver as it will go up in the future. Look at all the 30-year stackers that's been doing this for 30 years. Their silver is skyrocketing, okay? Their silver is way up. They have made a ton of money, but guess what? They still hold their silver and their gold and haven't sold it. So everybody have a fantastic hump day. Happy coffee. May God bless you. May God shine his light upon you, my viewers. And thank you so very much for watching the video, and concentrate on the 80% that you seek and not the 20%, the 80% that you have and not the 20% you seek. So everybody have a fantastic hump day. Got to go to work. So will the clicker work? SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States, America. Clicker in hand. I'm out.